Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos, guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Today we're working on a Chevy Equinox. Okay, we're doing an engine replacement. As you can see, engine, transmission, everything. We're dropping out of this one right here. So we will be shooting many videos today, guys. We'll show you how to do things, okay? If you need help with anything, let us know, but we'll show you how to remove the front end, how to remove bumper, headlights. We have many videos, so stay with us and let's go ahead and start now. So today, guys, we're going to show you how to remove and replace the front bumper cover. So you don't even need to lift it up or anything like that. You can do it the way it is now. And as you can see now on top, we have a few bolts with a 10mm that we need to start on. Some models you might have clips here, like this one is a 2005 and it actually has clips instead of bolts there. Okay, now we have a couple clips that we need to remove. Okay, right there. Okay, that one came out. We have one more there. Need to go ahead and remove it as well. Okay, so two so far. And we need to start underneath, but right here there used to be two clips that are broken already in the corner. Okay, you can see ours is messed up, and we have more right there, three of them that we need to remove. Okay, you pull the center piece out and then you pull the rest of the clip. Okay, only one left now. Okay, in this corner, underneath right here, you should have two more that we're missing on the other side and they're missing on this side as well. This bumper has been removed in the past. As you can see, it's been repainted, so most likely they were not installed correctly or it was damaged in the front end collision. Now with a 7mm socket, you need to remove one bolt right there. You can see that holds the bumper towards the fender. Okay, so go ahead and remove this one. Almost there, and we have the same thing on the other side as well. We need to go to the passenger side and do the same procedure. Okay, and you can see the whole bumper and the front end grille, everything came out. What we actually need to do, we need to disconnect the fog lights now. Okay, so what we got to do on those, you usually need to just release both of these. Okay, right there, got this one out. Alright guys, that's how you remove and replace the front bumper cover on Chevy Equinox. Pretty simple. That's the whole bumper assembly right here. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.